Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and this is the second part of the video where I'm going to unbox a few packages that I purchased on Cyber Monday. They are all from Dotz company, and they were purchased on their website, diamonddotz.com. If you're following my channel, you know that yesterday I made already the first part of this video where I unboxed 3 Christmas related, or better say winter related kits. Here are 2 of them, and today we are going to unbox the rest of the kits. And I'm not going to package it, but just wanted to let you know that today I went to Michael's to purchase a few frames, and I found this beautiful diamond painting kit. It is from Diamond Art Company. I purchased a few kits before from it, and I made a separate video about it, but online. And I saw this kit at the store. The thing is that it is partial, really very cute one, with the puppies. 40 by 50 centimeters. Here it is. So, do you see the design area? It is only the stockings with puppies, and you know I do not like diamond painting partial kits, so most likely I am going to give it away. Art Minds, it's not Diamond Art, Art Minds, the company is Art Minds. I'm going to give it away to my co-worker's daughter, and just wanted to bring it to your attention that they sell it at the stores. It costs only $10. Here's the completed picture. So, but we are going to open this. So let's start with this beautiful kit. The name of the kit is Field of Dreams. It is a full square drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dotz. This is the original completed image. So Diamond Dotz post completed images on their boxes. This way you would know how they look when finished. This size of the kit is 40 by 50 centimeters, and this kit contains 34 colors. You know, this is a very weird choice for me because I do not like diamond painting people, and I do not like diamond painting animals. And on this design, you can see both a person, a woman, and a horse, an animal. But I don't know, something attracted me in this diamond painting. I had been monitoring it for over a year. There were no discounts. This kit had never been on sale, and it was sold in a few stores, like in Michael's and Joann, plus on Diamond Dotz website, and it went down in price only on Cyber Monday. So originally it was $40. I purchased it for $28, and I'm really very happy with it. I love this image. I love this design, and it's just beautiful. And I saw it completed. It looks really very realistic and detailed, just like as the painting. And let's see the drills. The drills are also beautiful, very bright. And I'm pretty sure that this brightness will fit the design pretty well, especially when it comes to the flowers and to the greens. So these are the drills. They do not. This is the only kit out of 6 that does not have any ABs, and I understand why, because ABs just would not belong here. ABs or crystals. Even when I was looking at it and thinking how I could customize it, I couldn't figure out where I would apply AB or crystal diamonds, because there's just no place for them, you know. Where? To the flowers? It won't look good. To the girl? Where? Only on her, you know, hair thingy? I'm not sure. Hairband, whatever she is wearing. Other than that, I just don't know where the ABs would look good. Nowhere. That is why I guess I will leave this kit the way it is. I will not do any modifications to it. I will just use the drills that come with it, which are just regular square resin drills. No ABs, no crystals. I think it will turn out amazing with these ones only. So this is the first kit, Field of Dreams, Diamond Dots, $28 on sale, 40 by 50 centimeters. Let's move to the next one. The next kit is Seaside Vigil. This is the original completed diamond painting. Really beautiful. When I saw it, I thought that I would make a few enhancements to that. This design size is weird, 52 by 33 centimeters. I was 100% sure that they were all 40 by 50 centimeters. Well, I was wrong. I should have paid more attention to the size. So it's not a standard frame as far as I understand. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. The name of the kit is a Seaside Vigil. It is a full square drill diamond painting kit, and it contains 28 colors. It might look pixelated on the screen, on the canvas, and the colors look way too bright. But again, I saw the completed diamond painting and it looks way better, way more detailed, and way more natural. The colors look way more natural and a little bit duller than on this picture. Here they're just unnaturally bright. So let's see the drills. These are the diamonds. Yeah, they don't look as bright as on the picture. I was thinking to add some AB diamonds to the stars on the sky and also replace drills with either AB or crystals here on the lantern. But this kit apparently comes with white AB diamonds, so I don't have to worry about replacing the drills when it comes to the stars. But I still might customize the lantern. So these are the drills, really very beautiful. I'm sorry that my legs sometimes are on the screen. I'm really very Christmassy at this point. Look at that. I purchased these beautiful slippers and it's already like, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I'm all ready for Christmas. So, and I don't know, maybe I will replace the crystals, the drills with these crystal ones, because they're very weird. You see, they're called dragon or something. I don't remember, but they change the color from yellow to orange to red to pink. Really nice. So maybe it will look good on the lantern. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But this is the picture. So don't want to judge by packaging. By unboxing, you know that on the canvas, the designs might look absolutely different from what they appear when completed. And with diamond dots, I learned one thing. Either they look just as on the picture or better. They have never looked worse than they appear on the picture. Either the same or better. Mostly better. So let's move on to the third kit, and please do not turn off the video, because after the third kit I will show you my work in progress, which is really very beautiful. And the last diamond painting kit that also looks kind of pixelated and too bright is Twister. Here is the original image. I don't know what attracted me in it. I usually do not like pictures like this. But this one just appealed to me. I don't know why. I can't explain why. I really like it, and over here, of course, I can do a lot of customizations. I can use the white AB diamonds, I can use gray AB diamonds, and of course, sparklers for squares over here, or I even can use these ones. We'll see, but I do not think that this diamond painting is pretty color related, because I already opened it and I saw the diamonds. We will see it with you. They look a little bit different. The color is a little bit off, which is in a good way, you know. It's darker than what it appears here, because here it looks really very weird. I wouldn't want a diamond picture that would be exactly color related. So the size is also weird, 52 by 32 centimeters, not a standard one. This is a full square drill diamond painting kit. It includes 23 colors, and it does contain AB diamond, one AB color. So let's open the diamonds and see how they look inside. Not sure if I mentioned it, but it was also on sale for $28. So, and if you look at the diamonds, at the colors, you can see that, the design on the canvas is not color related, and it's great because here you can see just royal blue, regular blue colors, like blue colors, right? And the diamonds really contain like very dark blue or black, or very dark brown, or very dark gray, almost black, which is great because black color will look way better on it than just regular blue. So, of course, they have different kinds of shades when it comes to gray, but mostly whatever you see here as blue, it's gonna be really very dark blue, 823, right? Almost black, which is great. So this way, the picture will actually end up looking like here on the box. And of course, this one comes with white ABs. That is great. And again, I was thinking of replacing maybe the colors on the window with this, or I also have sparklers for squares, which are yellow. And yeah, I will definitely work on the light because I want to reflect this illumination that is coming out of it. So I'm not sure. Maybe this one. I'm not sure yet, but I will work on it. So this is another kit. And let me show you my work in progress. I have a few. This is my custom from DPF Factory. Actually, if you follow my Facebook page, I share my short work in progress videos, updates, on this diamond painting. This is a postcard, the picture of which was sent to AliExpress by me. And I asked to DPF Factory store, and I asked them to generate it into the diamond painting, which they successfully did, I guess. This is a really very old postcard from non-existent country anymore, from USSR. I'm not even sure what, 87. I mean, I even don't remember myself that year because I was really very little. But what I remember is that when I grew up a little bit, it was my most favorite design. I could spend hours just looking at it. And only last year I realized that, this year I realized oh wait, I can actually turn this beautiful picture into a diamond painting. I suck in drawing, so since I can draw, at least I can do a diamond painting out of it, and it will look actually better. So this is my first work in progress. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit, a custom from DPF Factory, AliExpress. This kit contains, I don't remember how many colors, sorry. Like maybe 30 or something. And of course, I made some modification to it. I added white AB diamonds and sparklers here on the windows. So as soon as I complete it, of course, I will upload a video review, and subscribe to my Facebook page because I again share my updates on this, and not only on this diamond painting, on my work in progress diamond paintings. So this is one. This is the second one, the same design, but this is these are beads. I am bead stitching them, and of course it's super time consuming. I started it, I guess, in spring, and you see I didn't even do the half yet because it requires an enormous amount of time, which I unfortunately do not have. I wish I could retire today, but and devote my time to diamond painting and bead stitching, but unfortunately I have to work for like 30 more years, even more than 30 years. Ugh. So let me show you my next work in progress. In the last one, this beautiful ornament for the Christmas tree that I'm working on right now. It should be like this. But again, it looks small, and what I was thinking when purchasing it, that I could finish it like in an hour. No, it takes me more than a day to complete, like the whole day, you know, like at least 10 hours to complete it. So I've been diamond paint, I mean, I've been bead stitching it forever. Can't finish it. I've been doing it like for 3 or 4 days already, you know, like maybe 2-3 hours maximum. And this is the pattern I'm using. So as soon as I complete it, I will show it to you as well. So this is all for today. I will leave the links to these diamond paintings in the description box below. If you are interested in purchasing it, if you like them, go ahead. I think they're still on sale in Diamond Dotz website, but they ship only to, I think, the US and Canada. That's it. This is all for today. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you soon.